The recent discovery of several dozen Sh-15 self-propelled howitzers of the Pakistan Army, located only 80 kilometers from the Indian border near the line of control, (LOC), marks a new escalation in an already tense situation between India and Pakistan. Equipped with 155 mm, 52 caliber guns capable of firing up to 50 kilometers, reinforce Pakistan's military presence near the contested border. This show of force occurs as tensions continue to mount following a series of events in the Jammu and Kashmir region, a historic battleground for rivalries between the two nuclear powers. The Shush-15 is a 155 mm self-propelled howitzer, SPH, produced by China's Norinco and exported to Pakistan. It's an export variant of the PCL-181, based on a 6x6 Shaanxi truck chassis. Pakistan acquired the Shush-15 in response to India's acquisition of the K-9 Vajra self-propelled howitzer. Adopted by the Chinese Army between 2018 and 2020, the Sh-15 has been exported to several countries, including Pakistan, which signed a contract for 236 units in 2019. Introduced in China in 2017 and officially unveiled in 2018, the Sh-15, designated PCL-181 within the Chinese Army, replaced the older PL-66 howitzers. This modern artillery system leverages technological advancements to ensure compatibility with a wide range of munitions, including precision-guided projectiles developed by Norinco, such as the GP-155 or GP-1, as well as standard NATO 155 mm ammunition. Capable of both direct and indirect fire, the Sh-15 can reach a maximum range of 53 km with rocket-assisted projectiles. Equipped with a semi-automatic loading system, the Sh-15 can achieve a firing rate of 4 to 6 rounds per minute. Its integrated ammunition storage supports rapid response and high battlefield mobility. Before firing, 2 large spades are deployed at the rear to stabilize the platform. The system includes a computerized fire control system, along with navigation, positioning, and targeting capabilities, allowing it to receive mission data from an artillery command vehicle. Mounted on a Shaanxi 6x6 military truck with an armored cabin, the Sh-15 accommodates a crew of 6, providing protection against small arms fire and artillery fragments. A 12.7 mm heavy machine gun can be mounted on the roof for self-defense. Thanks to its lightweight and mobility, the system can be rapidly deployed in difficult terrain and transported by medium-sized military aircraft such as the Y-9. Adopted by the Chinese Army between 2018 and 2020, the Sh-15 has been exported to several countries, including Pakistan, which signed a contract for 236 units in 2019, and Ethiopia, which received at least 32 units in 2023. The estimated unit cost, based on the Pakistani order, is approximately $2.1 million. The induction of the Sh-15 marks a major milestone in Pakistan's artillery modernization. Combining heavy firepower with strategic mobility, it enables rapid repositioning in complex environments, an advantage for high-intensity operations. Compatible with NATO standard and precision-guided ammunition such as the GP-6, the system provides long-range strike capabilities suited to modern battlefield needs. Its fully digital fire control system, automatic gun laying, and GPS-based navigation enhance accuracy and reduce crew workload. The modular design facilitates maintenance, while the armored cabin ensures crew survivability in contested zones. With the Sh-15 operational, Pakistan's artillery units are now capable of delivering faster, longer range, and more precise fire support, critical for both conventional and hybrid warfare scenarios. Mounted on a Shaanxi 6x6 military truck with an armored cabin, the Shush-15 accommodates a crew of 6, protecting against small arms fire and artillery fragments. The large-scale deployment of Pakistani Sh-15 howitzers, combined with the current hydrological and military escalation, underscores the extreme fragility of the situation in South Asia. As tensions continue to rise, the risk of an open confrontation between India and Pakistan remains significant, in an international context where calls for moderation have so far struggled to produce tangible results. 155 mm, 52 caliber gun, capable of firing a variety of rounds, including high explosive, armor-piercing, and smoke rounds. Advanced fire control system, Includes a digital ballistic computer, GPS, and laser rangefinder. Semi-automatic loading system, reduces loading and firing time. High mobility, based on a high-mobility truck chassis, making it suitable for long-distance travel. Rapid deployment, capable of quick deployment in mountainous regions due to its wheeled design. Long range, can fire rocket-assisted projectiles with a range of up to 53 kilometers. Nuclear capability, reports suggest it can fire nuclear artillery shells. Other ammunition, it can also fire VLAP rounds, a type of rocket-assisted projectile, laser-guided, and satellite-guided projectiles. The SH-15 is designed for quick reaction and is suitable for deployment in high plateau regions. It has a combat weight of approximately 28,000 kilograms and a maximum road speed of 90 kilometers per hour. The SH-15 is also a more affordable option compared to some other self-propelled howitzers, making it attractive to third world market countries.